Nobis Martino, welcome back to the station where your matter now we own. Time don't reach for Sharp Tori from CHRICED Radio and Television. My name na Princess Anyana. Good afternoon. Now be small drama on Tuesday for Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport for Abuja when immigration officers then seized the passport of the senator where they represent Kogi Central, Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. Trust Natasha now they carry last. He don't begin to shout. Say now the Senate President Akpabio now give order say me the seize her passport. Come they claim say then stop her from to climb aeroplane, even though he no get any law or anything where they grant to stop her from movement. She rush enter for Facebook, do Facebook live, begin the verse. You can see the smoke they come out for her ear. Now so Akpoti-Uduaghan come begin to say what happened. So it's a big embarrassment. And say officer tell her koro. Say anytime when she try to travel, make them make sure say they seize her passports. In the end, they later return the passport back to her. And the Nigerian police force don't come out now and say, nah lie, be all the church where they go up and down. Of say they force their officers all over the country to buy that handbook where they call attitudinal change handbook for the Nigerian police force for 2,000 naira per officer. Now Tori burst for inside online, say police authorities don't tell all of their officers to buy that book for 2,000 naira. And it is compulsory for every officer with Thursday as the deadline. But when they ask him, then the police force public top person Benjamin Unde, he say, hi, nah lie yo. So they just won't use that to tell spoil the name of police. Say actually yo, the book day, but it is voluntary. It not be by force. If you like, you buy. If you like, you not buy. One lawmaker for inside America, Riley Moore, don't come out now. Change seriously for before Kano State Governor Kwankwaso. They accuse Kwankwaso say she be na him gongon na him even ginger. May Sharia law be start to the work for inside Kano. So take that law now say na death penalty for anybody wey talk anyhow against the holy prophet what they call blasphemy. This Moore begin yarn this one as his own answer to Kwankwaso reaction when when the present US President Donald Trump being take the threat and say he go enter Nigeria to come and do 1 or 2 on top the killing of Christians. This American lawmaker now come they tell Kwankwaso to remember say when he work governor in 2000, now he using hands sign Sharia penal code bill to become law inside Kano State. Remember say Kwankwaso been first come out say US supposed support Nigeria to fight this insecurity with technology, not be to they push say they won't push soldiers enter here. But more now they insist say waiting Kwankwaso they talk and in past record they no match at all. The Chief of Defense Staff, General Olufemi Oluyede, don't come out now and talk, say, nah lie, be all of the church say that they kill Christians inside the country. Say, actually, the main security wahala where Nigeria gets, na terrorism. When you follow Tori people, they gist on Monday for Abuja, Oluyede say, that talk by US President Donald Trump, say Islamic terrorists, then they target, they kill Christians, say not be true. In the world, he said, look at it too. He not get any Christian where they deal with for Nigeria. Actually, with the face insecurity, especially terrorism, and now something we don't disturb Nigeria for now. Now, so the Ogo of Defense can't explain, say the armed forces are on ground. They are working 247 without to tire to pursue terrorism come up for this country and make sure say security go tight for this country. And as we don't dey ready to pack our kaya for on top sharp tori for this time, make we take you outside of the country. Where we say for Nepal now, it red because 7 people the way they climb mountain, 5 of them foreigners, 2 of them Nepal people, now they don't confirm dead. After when they climb mountain like this, now you snow, that white ice block, just rush like this, like water, just knock them for near the Yalungri mountain base camp, where they Nepal Dolaka area on Monday morning. According by 7 summit treks, people that when they do rescue work don't bring out 2 dead body, but they still they find 5 others. And then believe saying that the snow now don't bury them down. 8 of the people that when they climb this mountain where Wunjo, then rescue them, rush them, go Kathmandu for treatment. Officials say the group been set out like 1 hour before that heavy snow begin been happen. And now here now go take a close mouth on top sharp tori for this time. Don't forget to join us later again for another beautiful one. Until then, continue to follow us on top all our social media handles at CHRICED Radio TV. My name na Princess Anyana. Good afternoon.